Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to share with you guys something that if you guys have followed me on this channel for a while, you guys know this is something I love to drink. I just make myself some celery juice. Yes, you guys see, I just make me some 1 cup. This one is for tomorrow. And sometimes there are days where I drink celery juice like every day. And there are days where there are weeks where I drink it like every day, complete for a whole week. And there are weeks where I drink maybe twice a day. I make other juice. But I love celery juice. It's very, very good for your system. It helps clean your body. It's good for a lot of stuff. So today I just make myself one. I got this stuff from Aldi, if you guys live in Holland, for a long time ago. And I do use this to make some juice. I do have like pineapple juice. I do have a lot of stuff, so I do get. And this celery juice I picked up is from the organic store. So if you guys don't know, I eat organic just because I have allergic reactions, so all my food I'm eating they're organic. But yeah, so I got myself some. I make myself. You guys can see the difference when you get the celery juice from the normal store and the ones you get from the organic store. The one you get from just the normal store, it's the green. When you juice it out, it's not as dark as this one. If you don't believe me, try it yourself. It's not as dark as this one. When you buy the organic from the organic store, when you juice the celery out, like it is super, super dark, and it's cold. It doesn't taste super delicious, but it's not as bad as everyone make it look to be. Sometimes I like to mix mine with ginger, but today I really do not feel like eating ginger. I do have like excuse the mess here, but these are like my fruit station. I do sometimes mix it with ginger. I have ginger here, but today I'm not using any ginger. These are smoothies that I use to make smoothies, my normal smoothies, because I'm not really a breakfast person, so I make a lot of smoothies. So this is, and I have some of my tea, and everything I do is organic. I love to drink some tea, but I love some natural tea. This is for good night tea. Like if you're going to sleep in the night, you drink this one. Like I feel really good. And I also have my hemp seed. When I'm making my smoothie, I put some of this hemp into my smoothie. So yeah, just want to show you guys some few stuff. And I do also have, I ate a lot of good things, okay, because you only have one body, so you really have to take care of your body. And I also love this fruit. It's very, very good. It's very, very delicious. So yeah, this is what we're doing. So now I'm going to eat the poofer. Come poofer. My daughter, she's going to try the celery poofer. And she don't like it. When I mix it with pineapple and I give her, she likes it. But when I don't mix it with pineapple, I just make the juice on its own, she does not like it. But yeah, guys, set my deze terug. So when if I'm planning to give the kids, I do mix it with. It's always difficult to do multitask. Aliyah. Geef die naar Aya.
Ja. Oh, dankjewel.
Alsjeblieft. So I have this one, and I'm going to drink my celery juice. And this, yeah. If you guys have any question, next time when I'm blending, I'm blending it, I'll definitely make a video and show you guys how I do it. But today it didn't really came into my mind because I think I've shown you guys how I juice celery juice. I've shown you guys. I think so. I've shown you guys. But yeah, just try. I feel a bit lazy, a bit tired, so excuse me. And I'm doing this video with my phone because it's super easy when you're doing it with your phone than taking camera, running around the house. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon, and thank you guys so much for your love and support, and see you guys soon. This is again Amy.